Hey, this is Nat, and we're off our couch in Epcot at Walt Disney World in Lake Buena Vista, Florida. Thanks for getting off the couch with us as we continue our quest to get to know more of Epcot better. If you've been getting off the couch with us for a bit, then you may recall we enjoyed both Test Track and attractions within the Seas with Nemo and Friends Pavilion earlier this year. We also had the chance to ride Guardians of the Galaxy Cosmic Rewind during the pass holder preview, as well as Remy's Ratatouille Adventure. Since we're such huge fans of the festivals that are hosted here at Epcot, we thought we'd do a better job of getting to know the rides here at Epcot as well. So that way we can kind of mix in the festivals with getting on some rides with the kids too. So that brings us to the Land. The Land is located in the World Nature section of Epcot. The Land Pavillion includes the boat ride, Living with the Land, the Behind the Seas tour, the film Awesome Planet, Garden Grill Restaurant, which offers character dining, the Sunshine Seasons food court, and Soarin Around the World, a flight simulator attraction that takes you on a journey throughout the world. In this video, we're going to take a brief look at the Sunshine Seasons food court as well as Garden Grill Restaurant. Even though we're not eating at the restaurant, we're hoping we get to see a character or two, maybe a glimpse. We're also going to watch the Awesome Planet film, and we're going to take a boat ride through a tropical rainforest as well as other settings to learn about advancements in farming. First, we're going soaring. We're in line now for Soarin Around the World, and I'll get quite a few places checked off my bucket list, virtually at least, because this flight is going to take us to numerous natural and man-made wonders of the world. And if you do enjoy Epcot and Walt Disney World, be sure to subscribe too, because we have more rides, attractions, and festivals to check out this year and the upcoming years, and we love for all you to continue to join us. While waiting in line for Soarin', there's a travel-themed trivia game you can play on your mobile device to pass the time. We don't have much of a wait though, so after about 7 or 8 minutes in line, we're watching our boarding and instructional video, and now we're buckled in for our flight. In order to fly, the height requirement for this ride is 40 inches. We're facing a 180-degree, 80-foot IMAX digital projection that is taking us through the beautiful Swiss Alps, the island of Greenland. My son is actually bracing right now for a mist, spray, some type of wetness after that massive splash. But no, we're safe. We're continuing through the famous Sydney Harbor in Australia, and then the highest mountain in Africa, Mount Kilimanjaro. Here, my son thought we would feel something from the dust throat of the elephant, but no, again, we're still safe. There's nothing on this ride that engages the sense of touch other than the movement of the ride. There are pleasant, subtle scents during the ride, though. The ride is also taking us past the Great Wall of China, the Great Pyramids of Egypt, and the Taj Mahal in India. My daughter is just marveling at all these wondrous places and pointing and asking if we can go there. Our journey takes us over Monument Valley. Love the hot air balloons here. I'm going to do this when we get to go to Monument Valley. We're soaring over Fiji's Lau Island and Iguazu Falls on the border of Brazil and Argentina. And we have now arrived in Paris at the Eiffel Tower. And we're back. There's Spaceship Earth. There's Tinkerbell. Wow, what a welcome. I can't remember if I wrote this before or not. Either way, it's the kids' first time and they love it. They talk to me throughout the whole ride. So we're preparing to disembark now, and we're looking forward to seeing more in this pavilion. The pavilion is 2 floors. It's really big. I read it's over 6 acres. There's a lot of energy and movement within the building, and I really like this color scheme and these balloons. I read on allears.net the middle balloon represents Earth, while the surrounding balloons represent the seasons. It's easy to recognize the sun for summer, the snowflakes for winter, the butterflies for spring, and the leaves for fall. These balloons actually used to move too. A cast member is telling London that the balloons would get tangled up, so now they're just anchored in place. Bringing our gaze back to the first floor now so we can take a look around at the food court. Sunshine Seasons is a spacious food court with a large seating area. The food court serves breakfast, lunch, and dinner, and they have a nice variety of dishes to choose from. Asian noodles, sandwiches, salmon and chicken are available from the grill, along with salads, and then there are kids' meals as well. Let's take an up-close look at the dessert selection here. There are some 50th anniversary treats and some other delicious looking desserts. Here's the prices too. Next door are the sandwiches, and here's a look at these prices. I do feel, in my opinion, Disney has reasonable prices for their food, and I do like that. Yes, it is a theme park, so they are higher, but I feel they're manageable. Compared to other theme parks that I visited recently, where my jaw dropped, I mean Looney Tunes style, looking at the prices of food. So I can definitely see us coming back here on a park day to grab a quick and reasonably priced meal or snack. So continuing on the first floor, it's time for us to board again. This time we're boarding a boat though, for the Living with the Land boat ride. This is a gentle, slow-moving boat ride that illustrates the history of farming and details the future of farming. Walt Disney World horticulturalists are using imaginative, innovative techniques to grow crops without soil, hanging in the air, and even on a space station. The goal is to utilize farming techniques that are kinder to the environment and improve productivity, including increasing the shelf life of fruit. It's not just fruits and vegetables that you'll witness on the tour. We're also passing a fish farm stocked with hybrid striped bass, tilapia, catfish, and freshwater shrimp. The Sunshine Seasons food court that we just visited serves fruits, vegetables, and seafood grown within these greenhouses. Garden Grill restaurant, which is located on the second floor of this pavilion, also serves fresh produce and seafood from the greenhouses. I'm surprised how much I'm enjoying this tour. It's extremely informative and all the plants are beautiful. My son was already looking forward to this even before we rode Soarin' Around the World. He loves growing plants and taking care of the plants we have in our backyard. So hearing about all these different variety of plants and these unconventional growing methods is really exciting to him. He wishes he could hear the narration better that plays while you're on the boat ride. The narration that I'm attempting now to summarize. He's finding all of the facts and information fascinating. I admit it is interesting. To learn even more about the processes of these greenhouses, there is a behind the scenes tour available at a price of $35 per person plus tax for ages 3 and up, as of the time that this video was published. In this tour, you can visit all 4 greenhouses, see all of the fruits, vegetables, and unique crops from around the world. Guests will visit the fish farm as well and witness the fish farm during feeding time during this 1-hour tour. According to the website, the behind the scenes tour is temporarily unavailable. I think it's something we definitely need to check out when we get the opportunity. After the boat ride, we're going to head up to the second floor where we get an even closer look at these balloons as we climb the stairs. I just love this. And I love the fact that we can see PLUTO at the Garden Grill restaurant. The Garden Grill restaurant is a character dining experience where you can visit with Mickey, Chip and Dale, and PLUTO. It's a buffet family-style meal currently serving just lunch and dinner, and the restaurant rotates, so as you eat, you can see scenes from the Living with the Land right below. PLUTO is really working the crowds, visiting with guests as they eat and waving at those just passing by like us. We've never done character dining before. I've never even considered it, but it looks fun. Our final stop within the Land Pavillion is Awesome Planet. This 10-minute film takes you through the different biomes of Earth with captivating footage using special effects such as fragrances, wind, and mist. The message of the film is the need to protect Earth. Filming is not permitted in the theater, but it is a film with beautiful imagery and an inspiring, important story told in a clever manner. Well, that's our time here at the Land Pavillion. We had a great time, better than I imagined. Soarin' Around the World is fun. I'm pleasantly surprised about how engaging the boat ride is. We're looking forward to trying Sunshine Seasons and Garden Grill restaurant in the future. And on the way out, a cast member challenged us to search for the green towel on the mural. The one green towel is supposed to be the signature of the designers. Then I read an article, I'll put the link in the description box, saying that that's not true, it's just a legend. So I'm not exactly sure what to believe, but it is fun to notice and it will cause you to stop and appreciate the beautiful murals. There are also bunnies right outside of the pavilion too. Do you see them? Too cute. tell us about your experiences with the Land Pavilion. Do you enjoy Soarin' or the Living with the Land boat ride? Have you done the character dining at Garden Grill Restaurant? Tell us all about it, or let us in on your future plans if you so choose. We'd love to hear your thoughts and about your travels. Next video, we're back at Epcot for this year's International Food and Wine Festival. Like I said, we love our festivals, and we're trying a little bit of all there is to offer, scoping out even more and sharing the activities going on during the event. So join us again in Epcot next video, please, and bring your appetite too. We want to thank you so much for getting out the couch with us for this video as we explore the Land Pavilion at Epcot. Thank you for all the likes, comments, and shares. We appreciate every single time you all join us off the couch. Thank you again. Until next week, click on the video to see another one of our experiences. Thanks for watching.